I'm Alonso Rivas. I'm lead infrastructure services for Grupo Bimbo. Grupo Bimbo is a global baking company. So we operate in 34 countries right now, in global footprint where we provide basically connectivity services, cloud hosting support, digital workplace, and support services to the organization. It has to be done always in a consistent and secure manner to provide and support the objectives of the organization. So we started a digital transformation journey several years ago. And when we first started that, it was basically moving to the cloud in a very unique way, because we started basically with a top-down approach where all of our core application and services were going to a SaaS model. We're a very distributed environment, so we go to in what we call a direct store delivery model, where we service on a regular basis over 3 million points of sale with our distribution network. So that is kind of a unique value proposition, but also one that requires a lot of distributed collaboration and support of our front lines, not just the manufacturing, but the distribution of our products. So we had been operating in a private cloud environment, in a very traditional, as most companies in the past, with MPLS networks and core data centers, and then a traditional security model. By going to this digital transformation that I mentioned, the expected connectivity requirements, performance requirements, where the edge was going to be really enabled, how this interaction of application was going to happen, that really drove our requirement. And I would summarize it in one is providing a better performance with a better cost, but also providing the foundation for the digital transformation and innovation platform that this also entails. So we operate, as I said, in a very regional basis. So we partner with our different managed service partners in the different regions to provide the solution. And this is where Fortinet really provided the flexibility in terms of accommodating our requirements, but the speed of deployment as well, and flexibility also. I think sometimes the incumbents having circuits and things of that nature can provide a barrier for this transformation. So the flexibility that the Fortinet solution brought to us, even very unique configurations across the board, that's really what drove the SD-WAN design that we currently have in a more, let's say, regional hub and spoke model. So right now we're up to close to 1,000 locations worldwide. And basically with the roadmap that we're seeing, there's a lot of, as I said, a lot of smaller locations that we have to support. So we're looking to expand further the footprint, and also obviously the platform to move to a SASE model with all the different components that brings, and how we incorporate also new connectivity requirements and opportunities in our manufacturing process or distribution process, with a kind of a resilient backup through the different networks and services available, where that platform should give us that flexibility through the different managed service providers that we partner with. One key aspect of this digital transformation at Grupo Bimbo is being able to partner for new directions, and how can the platform can really accommodate some of the unique use cases that we have. And I think that flexibility to have that common platform deployed across not just, the hardware device, but also cloud, which is where a lot of our state is right now from an application standpoint running as critical processes. I think that flexibility is what really provides a great value proposition for us. Otherwise, you always have to kind of stitch different solutions together without a complete end-to-end visibility. And I think the other part of this transformation becomes more complex. The ability to have this end-to-end view of how the actual user is experiencing the platform, and being able to pinpoint the issues along the way, but also with the right security, I think that's really a must in my mind. Otherwise, it's very challenging to provide a consistent delivery. I think there's several very unique opportunities that we've been looking. Obviously, the evolution of the platform in terms of the SASE and the cloud connectivity. How do we evolve as well from a cloud deployment and transformation? I think the opportunity is to strengthen the partnership with the ecosystem that we have with all the different cloud partners as well that we operate in different SaaS solutions, and also with the managed service ecosystem. I think we need to continue building that relationship and provide the flexibility and, let's say, projection of the platform for the betterness of our operation.